Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be doing another like kind of wig review. These are wigs. The wigs I'm showing are basically wigs I've always had. Nothing new. These are the wigs I've been wearing throughout the years that I only wear because I just feel like they're really easy and, I don't have a lot to do with them. So the next one I'm going to be showing is the BS201. And I have this already in black already. But the one I'm going to show you is in the 99J color. So if you're interested in this wig here, it's going to be this one, but this won't have the red at the bottom. It'll be 99J, the color that I'm going to show you. So, oh wait, let me see. Yes, here's the thing right here. Let me do it again. So the information is right here. Great. Okay, the name of the wig is here, BS103. And it's by Brown Sugar. So mainly all the wigs that I've been buying lately throughout the years is basically Brown Sugar wigs. I don't buy any other wigs but Brown Sugar because I feel like those brands just last longer. They have a thick texture and they're not so thin and hard to use. So what I'm going to do right now is put my hair back into a ponytail as usual, as we did in the other one. So put my hair back. I'm going to take seconds and I'll show you the wig in a minute because it's right here. And sometimes I might have a lot of wigs in my back seat, a collection of wigs just sitting back there because I could change up at any moment. I could be different in any moment, but that doesn't mean I wear them every day. I do not wear these wigs every single day. So that's number one. I don't wear them every day. Let's put that on. So, I realize with bangs, what I like to do is not keep this so low down here. I like to push them up a little bit, like right about here. And there's sometimes if I'm looking like over here, because I can see myself over here in this part of the camera, when I'm looking straight at you, it's hard to look straight at the camera sometimes because I'm seeing myself. So that's why my eyes is going back and forth. But I'm going to put this at the edge of my hairline right here. And then here's the color. I had this inside this bag the whole time. Inside here, I usually keep my wigs inside the protective thing that comes in. So this is the color right here. It's like a 99J color. It's really cute. But I realized the front of this is sticking out. Like on the bang, it's not. I have to take my like a bevel iron to fix that because I don't like anything that sticks out. So I gotta sneeze too. It's not working. Like I hate when I gotta sneeze and it just don't work. It wants to come out and sneeze, but it don't want to come out and sneeze. So all right, let me try this on. I don't think I'm gonna keep my glasses on because I need to keep seeing. I can't see without the darn thing, so I need to keep them on. So I'm just gonna try to. Okay, it's hard to do it in the car because I don't have a lot of clearance up here. So I'm gonna put my seat down a little bit more so I won't touch the darn ceiling. So this one seems a little tighter too. This one I haven't worn this one in a while. All right, wig, you're messing with me now. You usually don't do this. Let's go. Let's show the people what we do. All right? Don't do it, wiggy. Some of these wigs have names. I don't like saying the names. A lot of videos I watch, a lot of girls call their wigs names. Probably because it comes in a name or something. But these don't. These are like numbers. So now I'm gonna take the glasses off for a second. So let's do that. This one looks a little shaggy. I have not done nothing to this wig. I just took it back out of the package. So this one's gonna look a little shaggy. But you get the concept of what it is and what it looks like. And this is why I don't like long wigs like that because it's just a lot of maintenance. Like you have to do this, you have to do that with it. And it's not, is it properly? You can move it back how you like. You can move it if you want it right at your eyes. You can move it back a little bit, but I think that right at your eyes is perfect because I don't want a wig that has a bang to be too far up, too far back. So I gotta put my glasses on because I cannot see you guys right now. So let's put those on. So this is what the 99J looks like. So hold around here. So if you like this wig, it's like the other one I wear, but it's just longer. It's by the same company. Yeah, Brown Sugar is by the same company. So, You want to get that same texture, that same feeling that you feel in the shorter wig I wear. So this one's not too bad, but it's like, I think I need to personally go and get my bevel iron and just use it, flatten a little bit more. But this is what the 99J looks like. So I hope that gives you like some kind of, you know, view to what you would like. So this one actually is, I haven't tried this one. This one actually is the black one with the red hair at the bottom. I've never tried that one. I always got the black one, or I always got this one. But I never really wore this one for a long time, so I never purchased this in a long time. I've always had this one, and I never wore it in a long time. So I do have one more wig review to do for you guys, and that's in another, I got another video, so I will be bringing back another one. And these are my favorite wigs, but this is the least one I liked because I haven't probably fixed it up in a while. So, alright guys, leave me comments down below if you like this wig, if you like the other one, or whatever. Just let me know if you will wear it. You know, it is a different color. It's, you know, it's different. So, alright, so see you in another video.